Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting data and safety. Backup, discharge to around half, and wear an ESD strap. Once done, boot into Mac OS or your OS and open system information or equivalent and inspect the power or battery section to confirm the status reads unknown. Make sure you note the battery model and serial if present. Then power down, unplug all cables, and remove external devices. Now you're ready to access the internal battery with the correct tools and documentation. Open the device and inspect connectors and the battery flex cable for damage or corrosion. Swollen cells indicate replacement. Carefully disconnect and then reseat the battery connector to clear oxidation or alignment issues. A gentle cleaning with isopropyl alcohol can help. If reseating changes nothing, swap the battery with a confirmed compatible unit. Prefer OEM or high-quality third-party parts. Reassemble enough to test power on and recheck battery information. Make sure firmware matches hardware expectations before final assembly. After replacing or reseating, reset the System Management Controller or PMU to clear charging faults. Then reset NVRAM if your platform supports it. Boot fully and perform one full charge and discharge cycle to allow the controller to recalibrate. Monitor the battery info and charge behavior for the next 1 to 3 days. If status remains unknown, apply any firmware or SMC firmware updates and document your steps and voltages. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, test with another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.